Bag is packed. Good.
Where are you going? Are you leaving me?
Southern California. For Christmas. I thought we weren't doing a video.
We are.
Oh, nice. That'll be good. Yeah, leaving tomorrow, driving the whole day. Got an Airbnb in San Clemente for 3 nights, working first couple days of the week next week. And then taking off and just relaxing at the campground, San Clemente and Encinitas. So, looks rainy, should be fun.
You may have wondered why Kevin said, "Oh, we're doing a video." It's because I don't have a tooth. I'm not going to tell you which one. You're just going to have to maybe try and figure out which tooth I'm missing for the next 6 months before I get an implant. I'll never tell. Taylor Becker here, live from I-80 with my co-partner, Kevin Becker. We are driving over Donner Pass right now in the car. We decided to take off because the weather is insane out there, and we knew we were planning on leaving early in the morning, but the weather was supposed to be even worse, 100-mile-per-hour winds, maybe some ice. So we took off like thieves in the night, out of our house, out of nowhere, was not expecting it. Good thing we had the van packed, and yeah, driving there now. We're stopping in Sacramento, and then we'll finish the way to San Clemente. Stay safe out there, folks. How's your trip in San Clemente so far?
It's going good. Busy day at work. Oh, sorry. Did a nice little run on the beach trail here. Yeah, beautiful little town. And tonight I get pampered with dinner.
Okay.
Meatball subs, vegan style.
So we've just been running, so tomorrow, what does your run look like?
I don't know, this trail. Some sort of tempo. We'll see though.
Okay. We'll maybe film it.
The moment of truth.
I have never been able to do this. We just talked about it on the drive here. Even in like 5th grade, couldn't climb the rope.
Yeah, but you're fitter than you've ever been.
Oh gosh. I don't know how to do it. How do you climb a rope? I can't.
Wait, here, go again.
No, it really
Just
hurt.
keep your feet on the ground and pretend like you're climbing. Come on, keep going, keep going. Oh.
I can't do it. Can you do it?
Nope.
Let's go. All right, Kevin took off, warm up done. I technically have 12 by 1 minute pickups. We'll see how they go, zone 4. All right, gotta be done. If I can catch him in my pickups. I got closer this time. We'll see. I don't think I made a dent.
Maybe.
sometimes when I film. I feel like I'm one of those people that creates the videos for like the treadmills. Because it is pretty beautiful. Gotta go, gotta pick up. Give me a thumbs up. Where are we?
Oh no, some mall.
Doing what?
Waiting for a rain camping. For camping.
Yeah.
It might never come. We don't know. We haven't been terribly good this year, and Santa is very upset.
But we were just gifted 2 baguettes.
2 baguettes, yes, that's great.
Gifted.
This is our Christmas dinner.
And we had to buy a dog bed because the dog pooped her bed. Did you poop your bed? 2-second later update.
Right?
Yes, and it's here. All right. Good thing we waited. We officially got this tarp up after an hour. Hopefully it lasts.
We'll see.
But what a view. It was pouring not too long ago. Turn my light on. Welcome to the 4th annual Becker Christmas ride. It is the 4th, yeah? I don't know. Maybe the 3rd.
Yeah, 4th.
But it is the 4th. Merry Christmas. All right, I don't think we got any plans for this ride that I know of. I'm just along for the Christmas ride to be in a good mood. I will not be an angry elf today. I brought lots of snacks.
Yeah, baby.
You got any plans for this ride?
I might be the angry elf today.
No, you are look like the Grinch.
That's why I wore green.
Oh my God, you look like the Grinch. Well, I will be like a snowflake in my blue and white. How was your Torrey Pines climb?
It was good.
No footage, sadly. But I thought Kevin would, and I was dying, and I couldn't take it out of my pocket.
Huh?
It was easier than I remember it being, so that's a good sign. But I definitely went slower. Last time I think I got up Torrey Pines, I was being a Grinch. throwback to last year if I have that footage. I already told the camera I'd get out of my funk by the top of the climb. Funk is still here.
You think it's because you're the Grinch?
Honestly, I fucking feel like a Grinch.
Oh.
Kevin convinced me to do a run off the bike. I'm using this time to listen to my book. There he is. It's a good Christmas. Me and Alan Galathinius are gonna hang out for 30 minutes. Sweet. I'm not gonna film it though. Just thought I wanted to let my future self know that I'm still reading Throne of Glass.
Christmas breakfast for lunch.
With a side of football.
Kevin O'Connell told us it was that processing that actually hurt him. He was processing too fast and getting ahead of himself.
Yeah, especially in this offense with so
Breaking news from San Elijo Campground. It is raining with a high wind gust and also a high wind surf or a high wave advisory. And so today that means there will be no biking and no running. However, the rest of the week looks beautiful as long as our tarp can make it through tonight. Will it? I don't know. And that is the report from San Elijo Beach. I'm Taylor Becker. Stay safe out there, folks.
We're in the midst of a big storm here. Holding out on the beach, hoping the waves don't come up and sweep us. Tarp is holding strong. It's getting a little droopy with water, but doing good. What else you gotta say?
And that is Kevin Becker with San Elijo News. Of the coffee shop stop is an espresso review has to happen. So the rules are it goes from bad to great. I'm new to espresso reviewing. I normally don't like it, so we'll see. This is from Queen Stage. In Carlsbad, right? Or Encinitas? Somewhere between those. Very good. And that's a review. Okay, I'm trying to do a review. I don't know if you can hear me. The coffee shop was called Queen Stage. Very cool, attached to a bike shop where I had to buy gloves. Almost there, great local brand. It was cool. Highly recommend. It's very wet and windy out here. Kevin has sprayed me through puddles and I'm soaked with old bike rain in my face. So yeah, I got gloves, but I had to pay budget for them. They're cool though.
How's it going?
Awful.
Why?
I'm swimming like I feel like I'm swimming upstream.
You look great.
I'm swimming like I'm in molasses.
You're like a salmon.
Yeah, but they're faster, way better than me. So
You look great.
I had 3 beers last night. That's what I remind myself. How's your day?
It's going good. Good swim. Good coffee. Waiting for good lunch. Once the laundry's done.
I thought the world should know. I took a run without Kevin, and I'm lost again. And we got lost at this exact spot last year. Like, I remember this, and I think I go that way. I got lost in this little trail, but it's not the trail I want to be on. But I'm determined to find it. All right. No video unless I get lost again. I found it, folks. We ended our trip a little early because of another weather advisory, so we drove home on New Year's Day. I don't know if this video feels a little off to you, but it does to me, and that's because our trip felt off in real time too. While we were away, we noticed a lump on our dog, Marley, and even though we were in a beautiful place, it put us in a funk. When we got home, we did find out it was a tumor, or it's a tumor, and we don't know how bad it is yet, and that uncertainty has been really heavy. So that's why this video is getting posted almost a month later. I just didn't have the heart to go through the footage right away, and I've been spending as much time as possible with our Marley girl. So, the start to the new year has been rough, but it's also been a reminder of what actually matters in this life, and that's each other. Time together, the small, quiet moments. So in this new year, I hope to soak it all in while exploring the mountains. And like always, I hope to see you out there.